Excellency Antonio Guterres, Secretary General of the United Nations, Excellency Moussa Faki Mohammed, Chairperson of the African Union Commission, Madam Amina Mohammed, Deputy Secretary General of the United Nations, Excellency Mohammed Salem, Minister of Foreign Affairs of Islamic Republic of Mauritania, and Chairperson of the African Union Executive Council, Excellency Claver Gatete, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to all on this remarkable occasion as we proudly unveil the beautifully renovated Africa Hall. If these walls and corridors could speak, they would whisper the stories of a rich history marked by triumphs across the continent and challenges faced along the way. This space has witnessed the birth of the Organization of African Unity, now the African Union, and has stood as a silent witness to crucial deliberations and decisions that have shaped the course of our continent. The restoration and modernization of this iconic building, designed to meet functional and sustainability standards while preserving its artistic and architectural heritage, honors our Pan-African history and reflects our commitment to a shared future. Originally built and donated by the government of Ethiopia, this hall stands as a symbol of unity, hope, and resilience. It was here that the seeds of a continental vision were planted, inspiring our ongoing quest for independence and self-reliance. As we gather here today, we are reminded of our shared values that have united our continent. The decisions made in this hall have echoed far beyond its walls, shapes African lives, influencing policies, and defining our position on the global stage. Excellencies, peace and security are fundamental for Africa's development and prosperity. While our continent has made significant progress towards achieving peace, ongoing conflicts continue to challenge our stability. Drawing from our rich heritage of dialogue and consensus, we must place bold homegrown ideas and initiatives at the forefront to protect the well-being of our people. It is vital that African solutions continue to make precedence in addressing African challenges, guided by the wisdom of our forefathers. Africa Hall is more than just a physical space. It stands as a symbol of the African voice, reminding us of the need for it to reform strong and unwavering on the international stage, advocating for our collective interests in the face of a rapidly changing world. In this spirit, I would like to reiterate Ethiopia's firm belief in the need to reform the UN Security Council, emphasizing the critical importance of Africa securing a permanent seat in line with the common African position. Excellencies, aligned with Sustainable Development Goal 11, which focuses on making cities inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable, our capital, Addis Ababa, alongside cities across the nation, is undergoing a transformation into livable, citizen-centric urban space. The public opening of the Africa Hall contributes to the vision, transforming once restricted areas into vibrant hubs of exploration, learning, and revitalization. As I conclude, I would like to express my deepest gratitude to the UN General Assembly for its invaluable support in this endeavor, and to the UN Economic Commission for Africa for all its efforts and gracious opening this magnificent hall to the public. I thank you.